Hello, in front of me I've got Starsand Island. In this video I'll show you how to rent mount. In the beginning, let's go to menu and go to bug. In key items you can find rental passes. You can get them by finishing quests of certain NPCs. For example, right here we've got ordinary mount rental pass. Approach the mount you would like to rent, for example this one, and press F. Rent, and it's done. Now, if you want to summon the mount, press R button and it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.